If it, I was to say, if it breaks, it can hammer it because that's a big level of support, which means now you'll use that as your resistance. So if it gets below that, you can ride it forever. You understand me? That's a big level.
Coach, I got 170 ticks on ES.
No. That's awesome. Oh my gosh. Good job. How many contracts? One?
Just one, but I'm not out yet.
Yeah, that's
Respecting
beautiful.
the 9, so this is a beautiful 2-minute EWL.
Oh my gosh. Good for you,
I'm
partner.
gonna ride this all day long if it lets me.
For sure.
Each tick is worth $12.50. So
I was going to say, how much
math.
are you up? How much does it say how much you're up on that?
A little over $2,000.
$2,000 off of one ES contract, $986.
Look at SPY, it's going.
Yeah, it's going, gone. I told you though, if it stays below 598.50, ride that lightning, ride that donkey. That's why, listen, so when you come to these, all right, so if we had puts and we're coming down this major critical level, obviously if you have multiple contracts, I take the contracts at the major level, which is 598.50. If it then breaks through, you already know what we're going to do. We add in, right? That way you're collecting off of key areas and adding in when they break through those. Because think about it, if that would have bounced and ripped to the upside, you'd be giving back for no reason. But since you took some off and then you re-add, you didn't lose any money. You see how you got rid of the risk by doing that? It's so much better doing that. They don't need to be major moves. And it's SPY. Listen, if you guys are trading SPY, you already know it's extremely challenging. It's up, down, all around. You better be very good. And I know I've been talking about scalping a lot. If you are not a master scalper, please don't do this at all. Everybody else, you should be in a 2-minute forward, 2-minute EWO. You should be in stocks, not options. We talk about this every single day.
SPY's coming to a double bottom.
Yep, I see it. SPY, the closer you get to 596.50. Who's still in that SPY to the downside, man? That was a beautiful trade, right?
I am again.
I am.
Just be careful. You guys are coming down to that double bottom, as mentioned. Good call out on that double bottom.